Squad. So we are here at bike night at Cycle Gear. Yes, I didn't ride my bike. Bike is in the shop because we're getting ready to go to Atlanta. So I'm getting some things on it looked at. So still want to show up. So drove the track haul out today. So we're gonna walk around, look at some bikes, and kind of see what they got going on around here. Got the family out with me today. So let's look around. Yeah, we out here supporting Soldiers United. You know, they got a tent set up here and they're passing out hot dogs. And they have a raffle going on as well. So walk around, talk to some people. Remember to say hey to everybody. Y'all check her out. How's it going? Good. Look, she's out here passing out the food for people out here. Repping for Soldiers United.
We got a couple more staff.
She has an Instagram as well, guys. Look, I'm gonna put her Instagram down so y'all can follow her back on Instagram as well. Check her out. Look, another lady rider. You know I'm all about it. I love her.
Thank you.
We're gonna get her to the Air Ride family too.
Okay.
Y'all, when my kids come, look, you know they always gotta find some food. So they're gonna sit here and eat their hot dogs, and then we gotta get icy. If you like Harleys, you like riding bikes, you're gonna want a good cigar. We have Smoking in the City. Hi, how are you doing? Do you have a store here? Do you have a store too? I'm Mobile. What's your name? Kitty. Kitty like cat. Kitty like cat, everybody. So if you ever looking for a cigar, she is mobile. She'll pull up on you. Here's her information here.
Now I know why you gave me the first one.
You gotta have a good cigar. She's got a pretty good variation of cigars here. So if you ever check her out.
You went beyond retirement status.
So this is Kitty Lighthouse.
How you let them do that? All you gotta do is walk on. What they gonna do?
And she has a mobile
What they gonna do? You make it every time? Just walk on.
Do you come? Like,
Hey, walk on. It's approved. Fuck it. I don't give a what you do.
I come to all of their events. Most of the motorcycle clubs, I do their events.
okay. So just in case you didn't hear, she said if you call her, she's most of the time at the social motorcycle event. You call her, she'll show up and bring her inventory. So guys, check her out.
Well, when he was walking, he walked off.
We out here at Cycle Gear at bike. It's a pretty good crowd that's out here right now. We got bikes that's showing up. Look, y'all, I have a brother in town I haven't seen in forever. He left us, went to Florida, and look, he showed up in town. I'm not even sure if he go by Black Ice anymore, but we're gonna introduce him as Ty. Y'all, this is one of my brothers. I love him. Hey, how's it going?
It's good, it's good.
Good. Walk around a little bit. We'll check out some bikes out here and see what's going on. Everybody's off to themselves mingling. Everybody is out here. Not everybody. I have met Kodak. You didn't ever tell me your name.
Kodak the ground pound.
The ground pounder.
Hey.
And Ray.
This is Rev, my neighbor.
Look, I got 2 new subscribers, y'all. Y'all say hello to them.
2 new subscribers.
That's right. I love the city of Fayetteville.
About to put her on.
Look, we're putting Fayetteville on the map. If you never heard of us, guess what? You're gonna hear about us now.
Alright.
We gonna do that.
Yes, we are. Look, I'm loving this.
Alright then. That's what I'm talking about.
How long you been riding for, Rev? How long you been riding for?
On the 4th of July, I turned 75. I've been riding since I was 16.
Yes, look, these are the type of veterans I need to learn in the game, so they can teach me all the riding game.
What can I say?
What can you say?
I'm probably the oldest rider around here right now.
And look, we appreciate you.
Hey, well, you know.
We appreciate
My
you.
word is my bond. I told him I was coming, and here I am.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
And look, we appreciate you. Look, he riding clean. When he show up, he's showing up clean.
There you go.
Y'all better recognize who he is.
Will do now.
So he back to rail, y'all.
What's going on?
You know her?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Y'all, it's hot out here. What you smoking?
What's that?
What's the name of the cigar you smoking?
Pure White Hennessy. Yep.
Pure White Hennessy. Oh, is that one good? Pretty good?
White Hennessy.
I might have to try that out, y'all. Y'all
Born in
know,
the city.
if you riding.
Only place to get it.
Yes, I already would put her on camera. What's your name?
Big 6, baby.
Big Six. Look, Big Six riding. Let's check him out, y'all.
I'm on Stella.
Stella, check Stella out, y'all. Like I said, cigars and bikes, they go together. So we're gonna have to try out the Pure Hennessy if you never tried that cigar out. Thanks to Big Six here, we're gonna try it out on Stella. Hi ladies, how are y'all doing? Look, I don't get to talk to too many women, so I get to talk to, what's your name? Andrea. Lisa? Denise, y'all look, we have women riders too, y'all look. Look, I be trying to find them sometimes, but I always find the men, so I got to find the women. Yes. It's definitely a good time here, y'all. So we gotta continue to hang out, kind of mingle with people, and get some free hot dogs. I'm getting hungry. My girls already ate. They had icy, so you know I can't take them nowhere without anybody eating some food. All right.
8297.
They're calling the 50-50 raffle out, so they're trying to
One more
see.
time. Last bill for the 50-50 raffle, 8297.
Ain't nobody got that taking music.
There we go. There we go. I'm finally on there, baby. I'm finally on there, baby. Oh, man.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
And I got at least one
We have a beautiful lady here. She's riding a dirt bike. Hey, how are you doing?
Hi, good.
Hey,
How are you?
What is this that you ride? What's the name of this?
Sorry?
What is the name of this that you ride?
This is a KTM 450.
All right. What's your name?
I'm Casey.
Casey. Hi, Casey. Nice to
Hi.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long you been riding?
Since I was 16, so 10 years now.
10 years.
Yep.
So y'all look, I love putting my ladies on camera. We love to ride. Is this hubby?
This is my husband.
Hi, husband. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Seth.
Hey, Seth. How are you? Look,
Doing well.
I love couples that love riding together. Like, it definitely is exciting. Look, if you guys check out my YouTube, I have a YouTube. This video's going to be on YouTube.
No problem.
Yes.
Where was your
Yes. You guys ride often? Or? Look, they got them a free toy. They done had ices and hot dogs. They've been talking to everybody. So just because I don't have my bike at the moment doesn't, or I couldn't ride it anyway because I have a little one, doesn't mean I still can't show up and talk and hang out with people. Make sure you guys like this video. Don't forget, like the video. Share this video. Like I said, we're going to keep having fun over here. This is what we do, Tip Squad. We have a good time. And drop y'all comments below. Let me know how y'all like the video. Keep it positive, please. And make sure you guys share the video. Like this video now, because I know you're going to like it. Say hi, guys. Alright, we're going to mingle for just a little bit longer, and then we'll probably get ready to leave. Alright, so you can show your, go ahead and show them. Look, I caught laid back. Look, she can go ahead and show us her bike.
This is Deuce.
Deuce, y'all. Hold on.
Special.
Let me see if I can get in between here so we can see Deuce here. Look. This is Deuce, y'all. She be riding.
I be riding.
Laid back be on it. Look, us short riders, look. We not letting nothing stop us.
Not at all.
She had got some sort of shock put on hers. But of course, I heard you looking in the air ride possibly.
I am.
It definitely helped me out. I definitely recommend it.
Okay.
Backing up was a struggle, but it definitely helps out with that.
Yeah.
Yes, y'all. How long you been riding for?
About a year now.
About a year.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. Look, I gotta get me a cup holder. She got her cup holder.
I love it.
You do?
Comes in handy.
It does? Oh yeah, I definitely gotta invest in one of those, y'all. I gotta put EJ on a cup holder. So I'm going to be looking. Oh, I love this color too.
Thank you.
Great. What else did you change out on them? Oh, check out a kickstand. We gotta get that.
I believe that's it.
That's about it. It still looks good.
Oh yeah, because it was hard for me to get it.
That makes sense.
Yep.
You know what? Look, she's giving me short rider ideas too.
Yep.
So yeah, that makes sense. Hey babe, check out her kickstand. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. So you know what? Short riders, look.
Yeah, it was hard.
If you need to get a different kickstand, she said it made it easier for her to reach it. So that's a pretty good idea. I think I might have to invest in getting one of those. Look, when I say like you can always customize your bike to whatever you want, it's so many things that you can do. There seems like it's never an end when customizing your bike or getting it to fit your style or make it comfortable to your ride. So you know what I mean? But you definitely, it's always something to do with this bike. And I understand when people change stuff out on their bikes, it's not for like everybody else to like, it's what you like and what's comfortable to you. So if y'all see something somebody's done to their bike, don't downplay and say it's ugly. Just say like, you know, that's not something I would do. But that's what they like. So hey, I'm all for anybody doing anything to their bike that makes it comfortable. Sorry, I got a little loud. That makes it comfortable for them, or it's something that they like. Tip Squad, look, I got somebody to introduce y'all to. If you ever come to Fayetteville, look, and those that live here in Fayetteville, you come around to Cycle Gear. Look, what's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany, man, I know it's something about it I already love. Her name's Tiffany. She works as assistant manager.
Yep.
Assistant manager. If you need help finding something, look, come find her. If they're not helping you, come find her. She's gonna get them in shape. That make sure that they do get you something. How long have you been working here?
A little over 4 years.
4 years. Love it. Do you ride?
I do.
You do. Even better. What you ride?
I have a Harley.
A Harley. What kind?
I have a 1200 Sportster.
I love her already. See, look, it gets better. Her name's Tiffany. She rides a Harley, and she works at what's not to love about it? We love our people here in Fayetteville. We love everybody, but make sure y'all come check her out. Do you have an Instagram?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
Okay, well that's okay. Still, you know where to find her at. How about that? Come check her out. Tip Squad, we had a good time at bike night. It was totally unexpected to be there, to go, but I'm glad we did go. Of course, you know, got to mingle with some folks, got to meet some new folks, got to meet some subscribers, got to get some new subscribers, which is always great. Make sure you guys like the video, comment, share it, and continue to, you know, check us out. We're having a good time here. Just know I don't have a channel if you guys not here to watch me. So I appreciate every one of you guys. I love everybody for coming to check me out each and every video that you continue to ride with me with. So until next time, guys, Tip Squad, these gnats are out here bad. Oh my goodness. Have a good time. I love you guys.